In this video, we're going to be removing the outer tail light off a 2013 BMW. This is an active hybrid 3 model, F30 body style. So it should be a new 3 series, basically, the 335 and on. So we're going to have to open up the trunk. Okay, so now you got to remove this clip. Clip comes off pretty easy. Just pop this little trim off. Comes off really easy as well. Alright, so now you're gonna have two 10mm screws or nuts. Alright, so right here you're gonna have to guide it out over the studs, and right here you have to pop it out of this. This is the outer side, so it will be right here. So this one sometimes takes a little bit of pressure to pop out. Once you pop this out, you have to unplug it. It's pretty easy, and you don't have to take apart the whole trunk like on some models.